So today we're going to talk about magic and psychology. Okay, so we're going to start with defining magic and what role it plays in psychology. Is when a magic trick is performed or you are performing it, you are engaging in experimental psychology. And the way a trick works is, like it sounds, it tricks you. All your senses in your mind, whatever flaws that you have, magic exploits it. And yep, let's get into psychology and how it actually works. So one of the main focuses is attention. Attention works in a spotlight. So for example, if you're looking at my hand, all you're gonna see is this area right here. When you look at me, focus on me talking, right? And and anything else that happens around during that time, you are not gonna retain it because the way it works, if you're not attending to something, you're not gonna retain it. That's why people miss things, like the video experiment back in like around 2000s, where you're supposed to count how many basketballs were passed around, and there was like a moonwalking bear that moonwalks across. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Okay. Well, next we'll get into perception. Perception is the way any person sees the world, and well, you can only see the world in all the stimuli that you receive or how you process it. So, for example, that's why we can look at this. That's why two people can look at the same images or same picture and see two different things. And that's what magic also exploits. Gives you a new perception on things that you would never seen if a person never done that trick. And let's get into our senses. Our senses obviously are flawed. It only can receive stimuli. It doesn't process or sort through it. So when you hear noises, it's all noises. Your senses don't process itself. Like what you hear is what you hear. You process it through your mind, not through your ears. Does that make sense? Well, I'm going to show you a couple magic tricks too. Okay, here's a coin, right? So, you're going to look at it. And my bad. Okay. Here it is, right? So what happens is we go 1, 2, and it looks like it's gone. But really, it's still here. I would explain this trick to you, but it took me forever to figure out, so I'm not going to. And here's another one where it's a pretty easy one. So all you do is put it right here. And I messed up. But the way it works is as you focus right here, you can't see that I put my coin behind the hand. Wow, it's right here. You know, and then you go, woo. Here it is. Yep. So that type of magic right there is what's called the close-up magic or sleight of hand. Okay. And different types of magic uses different parts of our senses, different flaws that we have. For example, mentalism or hypnotism gives the illusion of being able to predict or control human thoughts, when really they're just guiding someone through the process that they want them to do by putting them all in the right situations. And there's stage magic, which is similar to street magic or close-up magic, but it has a whole stage that you can set up for props to give a bigger illusion, more dramatic, crazier, all that. And yeah, last, sleight of hand, which is what I just did based on attention, focus, and how it's flawed, and how the hand is quicker than the eye. And I learned a lot. All right. Thank you.